Today I want to share with you the materials that I use and the pastel I use and the method I use in creating creating skin tone. Stay with me as we go. First of all, after having your sketch of your drawing being pastel or pencil, these are just the simple tricks that you're going to use. Having an amazing artwork like this, these are the very simple steps I use. After sketching the work the way I want, then I start to apply the color. Look at this. These are this is brown. You can see it very well. This is very dark brown. After I use this dark brown in applying by the side of the face, like any effect, or if you want to get any skin tone with this color. Okay, this is brown, this is red, this is lighter brown, this is orange, this is yellow. These are the few colors. With these colors you give me, I can get any skin tone I want. You understand? Now it's very simple. Listen how I do it. But first of all, I apply the brown, the darker brown, then follow it with a little red, then add this lighter brown, add this little yellow, orange, then with this yellow ochre. If you want to graduate to the lighter side, you see how I lay those colors come out. So after laying them, especially this side, whenever there's reflection on someone's face but you can see the darker side of this side, so we apply the brown, apply little red, add little orange and the lighter brown. If you blend it very well, it will give you a sweet dark brown a little bit. So this is the thing. So most of this one, this is the charcoal. So if I want you to get it, some of the places are very dark, then you apply this charcoal pencil a little bit, then you blend it. If it's not come outside very well, you can see add a little red to blend it so that everything will come outside very well. So I hope today you learned something today. If you have any question or anything that you want to ask me, drop it in the comment section. I'm here to help you achieve your goal. With these little tips, I can help you. Trust me, you just keep applying this little method that I've shown you. It's going to help you very well. So see you in my next video. Stay tuned.